Good morning students. Welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Our subject economics. Okay. So today we are going to see the chapter 12 mathematical methods for economic. So in these mathematical methods for economic we are going to discuss about the equilibrium. So what is equilibrium? The point of intersection of demand line and supply line is known as equilibrium. So this one you have to keep it in your mind. They may be asked for the 2-mark question. So they may be asked what is equilibrium. So equilibrium is what? The point of intersection. This you have to keep it in your mind. That means the point of intersection of demand line and supply line. Okay, I already explained you, if there is demand then automatically there will be the supply for the production. So the point of intersection of demand line and supply line is known as the equilibrium. Okay, is it clear? Now let us move to the next one. The point of equilibrium is obtained by using the method of solving set of equation. So how can we point out the equilibrium means by using the method by solving the set of equations. Okay, so one can obtain the value of two unknown with two equations at equilibrium point. So they have given one hypothetical example. So let us see about that in the blackboard. Demand and supply. Already I told you, if there is a demand means there will be the supply, maybe for the production product whatever it is. So this is known as the hypothetical example they have given. So 100 minus 10p. 100 minus 10p. 10p means p is means the value of the p is price. Okay. So is equal 50 plus 10p. That means 10 price. Okay, so here 100 we took this one 100 minus 50. Is it clear? 100 minus 50 is equal, here we put the 10 price and here 10. So that here I have written here 20 price. Okay, so next step they are given 50. 100 minus 50, 50. So 50 is equal, how much price we have written here? 20. Is it clear? So 50 divided by 20 is equal, we must know the price value. So here they have given the price value, it is 2.5. So what is the price value here? 2.5. Okay, so when the price is 2.5, demand, how much is the demand? Demand is equal, already I have given 100 minus 10. So what did we find out the price value? 2.5 is the price value. Okay, so the 2.5 it is equal means 75 they are given. So when the price is 2.5, then how much will be the supply? Price is 2.5, supply is given here 50 plus 10. Is it clear? Supply it is given as 50 plus 10 and here within the bracket that means 2.5, that is the value of the price. So it is equal, they have given that answer is 75. Okay. Now second one, find the equilibrium price and quantity by using the following demand and supply. Means in this what they have explained, we have to find out the demand and the supply functions with the use of the equilibrium price and the quantity. Is it clear? So that function demand and supply functions, here they have mentioned like this. That means Q due is equal quantity and demand. Is it clear? This is quantity demand. So is equal 100 minus 5p. That means price. Okay, this is 100 means quantity demand, it is 100 and price here they have mentioned about 5 and here quantity supply, QS means quantity supply they have given is equal, price also same they have given 5. Okay, so respectively. Now let us see the diagram and about that I will explain you. Now let us see this diagram. Okay, I have drawn here. So I have mentioned here. This is that demand and the supply. Okay, this line it means belongs to the demand and the supply, and this line it is appointed about the price. Here it is given. So I told you here demand and supply. So when this is the demand from here 100 into 10. So when this demand line and that this is the supply line. I have written here. See, yes, this is the supply line and this is the demand line. When this demand line and the supply line it is same means it is same, then this point out is E means that is the equilibrium. When the demand line and the supply line it is equal, that means that is known as the equilibrium. Is it clear, children? So they have given this diagram and they have given one solution. What they have given? Equilibrium is attained when quality supply is equal quality demand. That means quality supply is equal quality demand. Is it clear? So it is equal 5. They have given the value of the price. That means 5. Price is equal 100. That means quantity and demand, that means quantity supply and the quantity demand they have given 100. So the minus what is the price of it means 5. Okay, is equal 10 price is equal 100. That means here 100 it is given, so we have written as it is. Here 5 price means here 5. So 5 plus 5 here we have written 10p. That means the value of the price is 10. So okay, so the price value is 10 I have written here. So when price is equal 10, then in supply function, what will come in the supply function? Quantity supply is equal 5p. That means price is equal 5 into 10. So if you divide 5 into 10, what will come the answer? 50. Okay. So in demands function, quantity demand is equal 100. So if you minus from that price value 5 is equal 100. That same quantity supply and as well as quantity demand is 100. Price is 5 within the bracket 10 means 10 we have written here is equal 5 into 10 50. So here we have written the answer 50. Is it clear? So hence while writing, how you will write? Price is equal 10. How much is the price? The price value is 10 and the quantity demand is 50 as well as the quantity supply is 50. So what did we listen from this one? Understand this one means the quantity demand and the quantity supply is same. Quantity demand and quantity supply ரெண்டுமே சேமா இருக்கிறதுனால தான் ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் சேமா வரும்போது அது ஈக்குவலிபிரியம் என்று நம்ம சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா? Is it clear? Okay. Okay. So the market demand curve is given by D. Okay, so the market demand curve, the market demand curve is given by D. What is given? This D is for the demand curve. Okay, wow. So is equal 50. That means the demand curve value is 50. The demand curve value is 50 minus 5p. That means the price value is 5. So we have to find the maximum price behind which nobody will buy the commodity. Means demand curve உடைய price எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 50 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதில் மைனஸ் பண்ணால் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ 5 rupees கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ நம்ம இதில் என்ன பண்ணணும்? we have to find the supply of the maximum price. அதாவது which will nobody will buy the commodity. So இதை நம்ம find out பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? So they have given one diagram. So what they have given? Downside they have mentioned as an quantity demand. In the before diagram we saw the demand and the supply. But in this diagram they have given about the quantity demand because we are going to find out the quantity demand. So only they have given the quantity demand. So quantity demand இங்க எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 25, 50, 75 and 100. Is it clear? So price value here they have given. How much? 20, 15, 10 and 5. Okay, wow. So ingiyum paru, just you see that here the price and the quantity demand is same. Just listen here. Price and the quantity demand is same and here the supply is also same. That means price, quantity and supply is same. So the three it point the meets the same. So this is known as the equilibrium. Clear? Okay, wow. Price, quantity and the supply that is same. Okay va? So இது மீட் பண்றது தான் equilibrium. Now let us see the solution. இதுக்கு என்ன solution கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பார்க்கலாமா? So given quantity demand. So what they have given for the quantity demand? It is 50. What is the quantity demand? 50. So here what is the value of the price? 5 தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So value of the price is 5. So the value of the price is 5 is equal 50 quantity demand. Okay va? So 5 price is equal 50. Here when quantity demand it is 0. அதாவது இங்கே நல்லா கவனிங்க, இங்கே 5 ப்ரைஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 50க்கு, ஆனால் இங்கே குவான்டிட்டி டிமாண்ட் என்னன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 0ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ 0 அங்கே கொடுத்ததுனால ப்ரைஸ் வேல்யூ இங்கே எப்படி வந்திருக்கு 50 டிவைடட் பை 5 எப்படி வந்திருக்கு 50 டிவைடட் பை 5. ஸோ 50 டிவைடட் பை 5 வந்ததுனால இங்கே ப்ரைஸ் எவ்வளோ வந்திருக்கு ப்ரைஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் 10. What it came the price value it came here it is 10. So when price value is 10 அப்போ டிமாண்ட் எவ்வளோ வந்திருக்கு 0. price value 10 வந்ததுனால demand எவ்வளோ வந்திருக்கு 0. Hence price value is 10 which is the maximum price behind which nobody will demand the commodity. ஸோ இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ப்ரைஸ் வந்து எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 10, அதனால மேக்ஸிமம் ப்ரைஸ் பிகாண்ட் இது வந்து nobody will demand the commodity. Is it clear? Let us move to the matrix. Okay, so what is matrix? It is a singular while matrix is a plural form. This one matrix is a singular while matrix it is a plural form they are given. Okay va? So this matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. So this notice this matrix it is a rectangular array of numbers. Is it clear? It is a rectangular array of numbers and systematically arranged in rows and columns within brackets. So இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ்ன்றது என்னது ஒரு ரெக்டாங்குலர் அரே ஆஃப் நம்பரை சிஸ்டமேட்டிக்கலி அரேஞ்சு ரோ அண்ட் காலம்ஸை வித்தின் த ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறது தான் மேட்ரிக்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இன் எ மேட்ரிக் இஃப் த நம்பர்ஸ் of rows and columns are equal it is called a square matrix. Clear ah? மேட்ரிக் வந்து சிங்குலர் ஃபார்ம் சொல்கிறோம், சிங்குலரில் சொல்கிறோம், மேட்ரிக்ஸ்ன்றதை வந்து பியூரல் ஃபார்மில் சொல்கிறோம். இதே இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ரெக்டாங்குலர் அரே ஆஃப் நம்பரை சிஸ்டமேட்டிக்லி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி ரோஸ் அண்ட் காலமாக வித்தின் த ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறது தான் நம்ம வந்து மேட்ரிக் சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதை ரெண்டாவது என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா இந்த மேட்ரிக் இஃப் த நம்பர் ஆஃப் ரோஸ் அண்ட் காலம்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல், லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி, இந்த மேட்ரிக் எப்படின்னா த நம்பர் ஆஃப் ரோஸும் காலம்ஸும் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்தால் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக். இஸ் இட் கிளியர்? அதாவது நம்பர் ஆஃப் ரோவும் காலமும் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்தால் அதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம் ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? டிட்டர்மினன்ட்ஸ். Okay, now let us see about the determinants. For every square, அதாவது every square matrix there exists a determinant. Okay வா? அதாவது every square matrixல exit or the determinant. Okay va? So this determinant is an arrangement of same elements of the corresponding matrix into rows and columns by enclosing vertical lines. Okay va? So இந்த determinant என்னது ஒரு arrangement. என்ன arrangement? Same element corresponding matrix. இது எப்படி இருக்கும் matrixனா matrix rows and columns by enclosing vertical lines. Enclosing vertical lines. இதான் வந்து determinants. Okay வா? So இதோட example பார்ப்போம். Example, this is a square matrix of order. Okay, so 3 into 3, that means 3 row and 3 column. Is it clear? 3 row and 3 column. And here this one is the second one. They have given here as a determinant. Okay, the same. This is a determinant, and here it is a square matrix of order 2 into 2. That means 2 rows and 2 column. So this is known as the square matrix of order 2 into 2, and here the same they are given 2 5 3 7 the same. It is known as the determinant. Now let us see the main menus of MS Word. Okay, so these are the main menus of the MS Word. What? First one they are given about the home menu, second one insert, third one page layout, fourth reference, fifth one revive, and sixth one is view. fifth one review, and sixth one is view. Okay, so these are the 6 main menus of the MS Word. So we will see in the next class about this clearly. So whatever I explained today on the blackboard, do in your home, in your classwork notebook, practice it. Okay, so the diagrams are also very important for the economic. So I hope children you would have understand today whatever I taught you. So thank you.